Alright, let's unbox the new Insta360 Go Ultra. Ooh. 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 See. Wait, how do you take this out? Oh. Now this is the new Insta360 Go Ultra. Look at the size. Let's see what else is in the box. There's the quick start guide, some stickers, warranty card, safety guidelines. Okay. Here you have this is the USB-C cable. Yep. Ooh, the magnet pendant. You can rotate the gray area 180 degrees counterclockwise to adjust the shooting angle. Okay. Oh. And then you wear this around the neck. You can adjust the length. And we have let's take a look at this first. The clip. And there's the action port. Nice. It's a very tight fit. Press and hold the lock to remove the standalone camera from the action port. Press and hold. And what is this? The safety lanyard. So this goes through here. Alright, this is the new Insta360 Go Ultra.